Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda on Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel. So today we're going to look at how you can use watermelon and fresh ginger to recover your performance. So if you'd like to learn how to make this amazing recipe at home, my dear, this is the best chance you have right now. And it means you have to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. And guess what? Please, if this is your first time to watch a video from this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, my dear, subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified when we upload a new video. And of course, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Ask me anything you feel like. And don't forget to share this video to your friends and invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. We have started our preparation, but this time I want you to get for me watermelon. As I told you, this preparation we need watermelon. So get for me watermelon. This piece is enough. Trust me. So I want you to cut your watermelon into small pieces, as you see what I'm doing right now in this video. But guys, if you're a newcomer here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, and of course you can leave a comment in the comment section. This is my watermelon which I've cut. So you too, you just get small piece from your watermelon, and I told you don't remove the outer part of your watermelon. The same to the seeds of your watermelon, don't remove them. As usual, I told you as a man, you have to be with a blender at home. So we need to put our watermelon which I've cut into our blender, as you see. So if you don't have a blender at home, my dear, please buy a blender, because most of the home remedies which I will be uploading on this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, we need a blender. Since most of the home recipes or home remedies we need a blender, I want to get for me fresh ginger. Okay, get for me fresh ginger. We need just a little piece from your ginger which you'll get. This is enough. Okay, make sure that you clean your ginger very well. Guys, trust me, this is amazing recipe. First of all, it doesn't have overdose, doesn't have side effects, and my dear, it works 100%. And trust me, if you follow my ingredients, if you follow my home remedies, my videos which I upload here on this YouTube channel, you won't remain the same, because the videos or the home remedies which I upload on this YouTube channel, me myself, I use them. Me myself, I take these home recipes. So you too, I recommend you to follow what I give you on this YouTube channel. My dear, you won't remain the same. Trust me, you'll be different when it comes to bedtime, when it comes to the performance during sleeping. So follow what I tell you, do what I tell you to benefit from my presence. So from that, we are going to cut our ginger into pieces so that it's easier for the blender to blend it. Okay? But as usual, I told you guys, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and why not tell us the name of your country. Where are you right now? Are you from Uganda, South Africa, Tanzania, Kenya, Nigeria? Where you are right now, just leave the name of your country in the comment section, because I would like to know where you come from, guys. So as you see, guys, after cutting your ginger, okay, add it to your blender where you have put your watermelon. We are still proceeding. From that, get for me lime. Okay, get lime. of your choice. Mostly lime is green in color, so get one piece as you see and cut your lime into pieces. Don't remove the outer parts of your lime. Do the same like what you did with watermelon, guys. Trust me, this is amazing, powerful home remedy which will change your life forever, which will bring back your life forever. Trust me, this works immediately. It means you have to take it when someone is going to visit you or when you're going to visit someone. So stop crying for good performance. Stop crying for good recovery. Only this home recipe will change your life forever, guys. As you see, after cutting our lime, do the same. Transfer your lime into your blender, guys. As you see, very interesting, but trust me, very powerful. This can make wonders when it comes to sleeping time. Don't forget, we need Nescafe. Nescafe is very good to recover your performance, to recover your stamina. So we need Nescafe. So some people told me, or some people are complaining that Nescafe is not good for the kidney. But if you take Nescafe not every day, and if you take Nescafe when it is added with other products or with other ingredients, my dear, doesn't affect your kidney. So Nescafe, I recommend you to take Nescafe when you have mixed with other ingredients like this one, or when you have added hot water. Trust me, Nescafe cannot spoil or damage your kidney. So this time we need only 1 tablespoon of Nescafe. Trust me, just 1 tablespoon of Nescafe. As you see, guys, just a little bit of Nescafe, you add it to your blender. Trust me, this recipe is amazing and you'll be shocked after taking it. Then after taking it, you'll thank me later. Because what I give you, I know it works, and you too, you have to try it at home. Lastly, I want you to get for me hot boiled water. This is hot boiled water, guys. So you can add like 1 glass. So add like 1 glass, which is hot. Okay, which is hot, guys. This is hot boiled water. So in this instance, it cannot damage, or let me say Nescafe cannot damage your kidney. So you just add for me hot boiled water. So what is next? We are going to blend our home recipe. That's why I told you, you need a blender at home. So if you don't have a blender, trust me, you won't manage my home remedies, because most of my home remedies, we need a blender. Okay? So we are going to blend, but my dear, I request you, please subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, and of course, leave a comment in the comment section. And why not, don't be so selfish, share this video to your friends. This is our recipe after blending. That's why I told you, you have to get a blender if you're a man. So if you don't have a blender at home, my dear, you'll miss a lot. As you see, after blending, this is our results. As you see, it changed the color itself, and even you cannot know that there is watermelon, or there is ginger, or there is coffee powder. So it has changed its color right now. We need just 1 glass from this home recipe. This is a lot, but we need just 1 glass. And by the way, it's still very hot. It means you have to use hot water, as I told you. So from that, we have to make sure that we filter our home recipe, because we need just 1 glass. Okay? But guys, as usual, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe if you have never subscribed. Share the video to your friends, and we can be friends right now here on YouTube. Easy Tips 256. You get me? So make sure that, guys, you filter your recipe. Okay, filter your recipe, guys. Very amazing recipe and powerful. So we need just 1 glass. Very powerful recipe. So lastly, get for me natural honey. So we're going to add only 1 spoon, as you're going to see, to our home recipe. Just add for me 1 spoon, guys. Add 1 spoon, and again you have to mix very well. As you see, you cannot know that even there is coffee, you cannot know that even there is watermelon, and even you cannot realize that there is fresh ginger. So if you love such videos, please subscribe, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, and of course this is the only YouTube channel which uploads videos for men only. So if you're a man, don't hesitate, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. Very amazing, very interesting, very colorful, and tasty, very good. So right now, let me turn the camera so that you can see my face. Now, what do you need from me starting from today? You understand? Very easy to make at home. And my dear, some of you, when you go for second round, you go for 5 minutes. So use this chance, grab yourself a subscription for free. And by the way, I told you such videos which are educative, please share. And you can invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, because some people, they don't know that this channel exists. Okay, so tell them, invite them, and of course you can leave a comment in the comment section. And I told you, you can ask me anything you feel like. But this home recipe, by the way, first of all, it doesn't have side effects and it works 100%. My God. So good. So, so my dear friends, as I told you, such amazing recipe, pregnant women and children are not supposed to take it. Okay? But me, the one you are seeing right now on this screen, I have to take this home recipe. Or let me tell you, you have to take this home recipe 30 minutes before you visit someone or before someone comes to your place. Take it 30 minutes before. Trust me, you'll experience good results and you'll be shocked, because what I give you, me too, I use it. So take it 30 minutes before. Trust me, you won't remain the same. You'll be going for hours and hours during bedtime, and you'll be sleeping for hours without stopping. And when you stop, you have to recover immediately. So why not take it 30 minutes before that person comes or before you visit that person? Let me say, when you go to the bed, 30 minutes before. Trust me, you will thank me later. Trust me, you like it. And why not subscribe, leave a comment, share, and of course invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. My name is Coach Uganda on Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye. I'm Coach Uganda on this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. Bye bye.